Hi, welcome to CATECH TUTORIALS. In this class we are going to draw this model. Okay, and this is a 2064 model. Here, first of all, we'll draw this face. Okay, it is 14 plus 34 plus 14, it is 62 mm width by 40. From the center of the circle to this plane, they give 40 mm. And from this circle center to the circle center, it is 110 mm. Okay, let's draw the model. I'm selecting this plane. Okay, so let's select the rectangle and make this rectangle as symmetry line with vertical line. So here I'm doing coincidence with this bottom axis. So here it is 40 mm, right? And its width is 62 mm. Okay, so again I want to make a sketch here, right? So again I am making symmetry line with this vertical axis. So this is a 14 mm width on both sides and it is 12 mm height. Okay, so here remove this line and I want to draw a rectangular box. So I want to make here again symmetry with vertical axis, and here I'm selecting this line to the bottom of the sketch, coincidence. So we know that what is the total height of this one. We have from center to center, circle center to circle center, it is 110 mm height. Okay, so let's give 110 mm height and its width is 18 mm. Okay, 18 mm. So here we need to remove this line. Now it is completely open loop. So you see there is no closed line. So it is. Now exit the workbench. Here it is 50 mm width. So select the pad and give 25 mm on mirror extension direction. Okay, this is a pad. So I am selecting this face. Here we want to draw the circles. Here the circle diameter is 56 mm and 18 mm thickness. So let's see. Select this face. Circle diameter is 56. Okay, and its width is 18 mm. Okay, so here I want to do the mirror with this operation. I'm selecting this. There is plane, right? Let's see. This is the circle right now. So here I want to draw a 50 mm diameter with 46 width. Okay. So here I selected this center already. So now I'm selecting this plane. Okay. So let's draw the circle. Mm. Doing coincident with this top line. So now I'm projecting, I'm giving pad with 46 which we need. So here I'm giving 23 with mirror extension. Okay, now we got a model here. Let's see. So here it is 30 mm and here it is 25 mm. Circle there is. So let's see how to draw this one. So let's select the plane. It is 110 mm height. Okay, so let's add this plane. Okay, so here again draw this shape 30 by 18, 20, 30, 42 width. Okay, let's draw the draw this profile, it is better. Okay, so here we require 42. So I'm doing 40 mm here, 42, and we need to give symmetry first of all because it makes easy to draw the sketch. right? Okay, so here it is 12 mm width, so I'm giving 12 mm width here, right? And I want to make symmetry line with axis again. Okay, and its height is 30 mm. 30 mm. And one more thing, from the center line to here, the center line it is 85. Okay, the center line to here it is 85 mm. Okay, and what is this? It is also 12 mm. 12 mm. So let's see, 30 equal to 12 is 85. Its height is 36 mm. So let's and do the add. It is 36 mm. 36 means 18. 18 with extension. Okay, right. And here I want to draw a circle. It's 36 mm diameter, and its depth is 15 mm. Okay, 36 mm diameter. So I'm setting this plane. And I'm selecting this point, this line coincident, and select this point and make coincident with this line. Okay, so here we let x6. Set the flag, it is 50 mm with reverse direction. Okay, this is another one. So here again I want to do a mirror operation here. So select this plane, right? Let's see. Yes, we got it now. So here we need to draw this profile. So let's see how it's going to be done. Again, I'm here selecting this plane. So I take this line. Okay, select the line. Again, select the line here. Okay, so now constrain this with tendency now. It's okay, right? Again, goes to this point to this line. Okay, so now project is subject, right? I at the same time project this line also. Okay, so now erase unwanted things, right? Now this profile is completely closed. The remaining one is erased now. So let's see, closed. Exit the workbench. Here it is 18 mm thickness. Okay, 18 mm thickness. Here we can give 9 mm. Right? Here it is 32 mm diameter hole. So let's select the hole. Select this periphery of the circle and this plane. Here we require 30 mm diameter. And depth is 850. Yes. 80. Right. So again, here it is 25 mm diameter. So select this circle again. Periphery of the circle. Base is 25 mm. Right. Its diameter is 25 mm. Its depth is 80. Not 80. It is throughout the hole. So I am giving 80. Okay. Preview. So again, here we require 50 mm diameter. Again select the circle and here give 10 mm. Okay. Right. Yes, this is the model. We done. So here we have to give some edge flex here. So let's see. Here everything where the corner is there. So let's select the edge value and give 5 mm more. So let's give 3 mm. all these edges require 3 mm edge fillet. Okay. So let's see, have we done everything or not? Yes. Okay. Now see, everything we have done now. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.